Hey everyone, it's been a while. I thought today I'd do a bit of a channel update before I get these next couple of videos out to you guys. I thought I'd start the video with a bit of something different before we have a bit of a catch up. So today we're out at the Haunted Hills Mountain Bike Park, pretty local to me and it's new. So coming out here for a pedal today, we'll check it out. So let's get out there, have a bit of a shred, and we'll see you soon. Alright guys, so that's Haunted Hills done for this morning. Pretty knackered. It was pretty fun out there though, just riding some of the new trails, seeing what's out there. Good to explore them. Keen to get back out here and show you guys a bit more, but gonna head home, refuel, and then I'll catch us then and we'll have a bit of an update of where things are at and what's been going on. So we'll see you soon. Alright guys, so we're back at the house now. We've got a little Hudson over here hanging out, actually pestering us while we finish dinner. But so I just thought I'd do a bit of a vlog as the update for the time being. So alright, bit of take two because Hudson's trying to destroy everything as usual. So I just wanted to do this as an update to probably the lack of content I've been uploading over the last couple of months. So there's been a few things going on. Obviously work is a big one for myself. We're kind of a bit understaffed at the moment. Not understaffed, but pretty busy to be honest. So work's a big priority. So that takes up a fair bit of time, and then also moving out of where I'm living at home at the moment. So there's been a lot going on in that space, which I'm excited to share in the upcoming sort of month or two. And then some other big news, which isn't really a bit more of a personal side of things, but hopefully we'll get to share that in the near future as well. So I might get a little video about that up in the near future, but we'll see how we go with that. But more in regards to the Duramax build, which obviously has been the big one for me this year with Tom. The last few months have been pretty busy with him with work at an outage as well. So last time you saw us, we were getting some prep done with the engine out of the car again before it went back in for the last time. So you would have seen we did the brake booster, the engine mounts got welded in, we had the new head studs Tom had ordered, and he was sorting out some of his shifter, and we tried to get the injectors out to do the head studs, and obviously we ran into the dilemma of one of the injectors being stuck in there and pretty buggered. And obviously that led down the path of Tom wanting to get some new injectors as well. So that took some time to get those over from the States. And more recently, we got the injectors done, the head studs done, the engine went back in, and then it went off to the auto elect. I put up a bit of a post on the community YouTube posting recently about that going, and then when we went over to the auto elects to start it for the first time, so that was pretty massive. And the goal from there was to get the car home before Christmas. Had a few weeks before Christmas, and then Tom is currently headed over to South Australia with a bunch of mates. So that's sort of where it's at. There's been a few ups and downs in the last sort of month or two with it, but as it is, the car is running. And if anyone's been following Tom separately on social media, you'll see a few little sneak peek videos getting around, and fair to say it sounds awesome. Hopefully runs pretty good while he's away, and we'll get to do a bit of a finish up video as such for the time being of the car when it's back. So I'm pretty excited for that, to be honest. Before then, I've got 2 videos I've got to edit now, since I got the GoPro back off Tom, and try and get those out pretty soon. I've got another one I'm going to try and get out to you guys as well in between, but I'm still working at the moment over Christmas. Just my site doesn't stop, so I'm still working and I'm on call. So as soon as I can get those done, I'll get them uploaded. And sorry guys, I just lost it completely. But yeah, I'll get those up as soon as I can. It's going to be a bit hard, like I was saying, but I will get them done and get them posted, so I can get some more stuff happening in the new year, which I'm really excited for. So sorry about the lack of content lately. Things have been a little bit crazy, but I promise you there's going to be some awesome stuff to finish off Tom's build, and some new stuff in the new year, but we'll see how things pan out. So really excited for that. I hope you enjoyed this little update and a little bit of riding I did earlier today, something I haven't done in a long time now. So stay tuned. Hopefully in the next week or so we'll have a video up, and we'll catch you then. All right, see you guys.